Got in our shed yesterday and got it put together. Let's check it out. Has the little vents right here on both sides. Has nice heavy duty gate hinges holding the door frame on. The shed is about 6 foot tall. The doorway opens up to about 5 foot. Nice heavy door. Has reinforcement. I'm about 5'9", so this gives you a good idea of the height of it. It's fairly light material, so you can actually assemble it away from where you want it. And if you have 2 people, you can move it to where you need it and then anchor it down. It's ideal for small lawn equipment, or you can utilize it to put like small furniture in, like this. I'll bring the camera up a little closer and kind of show you what I've got in here. Now I had this old cart and I just set it in here. That way I could stack stuff on it and keep my cooler out here and my toolbox down there. And I had a black metal shelf that fit in here perfectly to store items that you really don't want stored in your house, but easily accessible. As I said, it has the vents. It's an easy shut door. Has a slide bolt lock. You can lock it in there. And when you hinge it down, you could actually put a lock through here if you wanted to. You wanted to lock up something in there. And as I said, it's really good for small items, lawnmower, weed eater, shovels, outdoor sporting equipment, coolers, toolboxes. The choice is yours. It will accommodate most smaller items. Now, assembling this thing, you need to really pay attention to the directions. You can get it done. All the parts are labeled. Like this is DRA1. When you assemble it, just take your time, pay attention to the instructions. You shouldn't have any problem. We got ours together. We're going to get some good use out of it.